Hi, in this video I will show you how to change YouTube channel name on the computer or on the laptop. So if you want to change your channel name on the YouTube, you can simply follow this procedure. So first point is that if you are looking for changing your name through your mobile application of the YouTube or YouTube Studio application, then you are looking for the wrong. So if you use your laptop or the computer to change your username, then this thing is very easy. So how you can do it? So first of all, you have to open your laptop and then open your browser, and any browser you are using. Once you will click on your browser and you will on your searching page, simply you have to search for the youtube.com. As you will see, YouTube page is appear here. Like, you will simply open your YouTube. So now how you can change it, simply follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to click on the profile icon from the right top. Once you will do it, you will see multiple options are here. Simply you have to click on the your channel from here. Okay, as you will see, no option is here to change your name. So how you can do it? Simply you have to click on your profile picture from here, as I did. Okay, now from here you will see different options like layout, branding and the basic info. Click on the basic info and you will see my channel name is here. Also you will see a pen icon with it. So edit channel name option here, tap on it and you will see a new text box is appear. Simply you have to remove this and write any name you want to change your YouTube name. So tutorial 78, and after that you have to click on the publish from here. Once you will click on the publish, it's loading and you will see changes published. So now refresh your page and again click on the profile icon from the right top and you will see channel name is changed now. So if you want to change your YouTube channel name, you can simply follow this procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.